Every man must live by a code. And if you do not follow your own code, you are not a man. Code number 1, get yourself a boat. Code number 2, follow code number 1. Endless journey. It's your boy, Snapback Fitness. We have got a special adventure here today. We're going on a boat journey! Over there, in that thing there. This is the new beach of Birmingham. It's called Edgbaston Reservoir. And we are going to be sailing high tides in this thing here. You get me?
Hey! We're gonna go on a boat ride!
Have you ever seen a hairy tree before? That is one hairy motherfucker.
God, that needs a bit of a shave. That
It needs a bit of a trim. Trim the bush, lady.
Bush lady,
Damn.
lady, canal.
We are at the destination. You can see behind me. We made it! There's people over there, they got actual boats, but we're gonna show them what time it is with our blow-up boat. But, I wouldn't be here with anyone but this crazy loony.
See the steps.
Welcome to Endless Journey Boat Life. Now if you want to do what we do, what you need to do is firstly get yourself a limitless mod. Check. Then get yourself a boat. Check. Then get yourself some paddles. Get a bag. And once you get a bag, put some things that you need in it. Firstly, get a pump. And that's all we've got in there. And if you want to be safe, we need to get a life jacket. Shit, we never got a life jacket.
Oh! Where's the life jacket? Snapback Fitness, why didn't you get a life jacket?
Oh my god, I forgot it.
It's all your fault.
Hey, it's alright, I used to be a lifeguard, motherfucker.
So Snapback Fitness.
Get the bag.
How do we set this up?
Get yourself some flat bit of land. Remove any sharp obstacles that are in the way. Jeez. Make sure your boat is set up correctly and in the right direction. Open it up gently to avoid any scraps or scrapes or nicks and nooks. Voila. Oh, it's quite a big boat, isn't it? And then get your pump ready and pump that mofudger up.
Once you got the pump ready, what you're gonna do is pump it up.
Go pump it up.
That's it. So they said that it will take us roughly about, I say 15 minutes to 20 minutes it's going to take us to pump this boat up. So, how's it getting along, Snapback Fitness?
It's getting along.
Alright. Okay. So look. Have you been trouble there, Snapback Fitness?
I've been doing this for about 15 minutes.
Oh god.
Look at it. It's not working.
Come on then, put some back into it. Because you can do it with your ends. Yeah. Hey, stop drinking that. How was that?
Refreshing actually. I feel a bit lightheaded now.
Alright. Right, back to the job. To me, to you.
Oh, it's a foot pump.
Oh yeah. It's a foot pump. Rule number 1, when you got a pump,
Use your feet.
use your feet.
2 hours later.
10 hours later. We are gonna join these people on their boating trip.
Hey, we coming. They call him Snapback Fitness for a reason. He knows karate. Ninja! Okay, alright. And there's the boat, finally ready! We did it! We did it! Time to go on the lake! Time to jump on the boat!
Endless journey.
Endless journey. Oh my god.
This is going to be either a hit or a miss. Fuck, my socks wet already.
Oh man, I should have worn different clothes. Are you going to
Just go without me! Just go without me! Okay, come back here!
Where do I sit? Where do I sit?
Nah, say that I'm coming in the middle. Are you gonna say that?
We're going
Run.
in our favourite book.
We are going on a summer holiday. So we're on a boat. We're on a boat, people.
Around us.
In the middle of
Do it at the same time.
on a boat. Boat now. That's how we do this. We live in the smart chance.
Snapback fitness.
On a boat life.
We don't just say that we're going to do it.
We do it! When we say it, we do it! All the time, when we say it, we do it. We go on the boat. This is adventure. This is what we called Endless Journey. So stay tuned and always watch us on the boat. We're practicing. And one of our brothers that we bring along is also known as TST. The Soban team is right here. Give it up for our man! TST! So that's it. That's how we do this. Let's get to the other side of the lake. What do you think, Snapback Fitness?
Other side of the lake, red, white and blue.
The lake! Across the lake! The red and white! The land of red and white! Across the lake! The land of red and white! Insectopia!
Push it, no, this way, the other way, like
This way.
Yeah. We're learning right now.
Sure.
Woo! That's it, boy. We're stranded! We're stranded! We don't know where we're going. Somebody help!
Deep in the jungles of the Serengeti Ocean. Have you ever seen a monkey paddle a boat? Me neither. He's of the rare, limitless kind. And he is an alpha. He does not like being told what to do. Paddle faster, you little monkey! You see, it aggravates him when I tell him to do things which will get us to safety. He is a workhorse of an animal. He does not require any food or water. He feeds on the motivation of others, and I provide him with all the motivation he needs and all he requires for his journey. See, our journey is endless on these rough waters of the Edgbaston Reservoir Ocean. So choppy, oh, the waves are riding in, oh my god. What are we going to do with this, oh my days?
Spinning in circles.
Go on.
I've told you once and once again, you limitless monkey. Our journey may be endless, but it's not over. Not today, sir. It's Snapback Fitness, also known as David Snapback Attenborough Fitness. And I will be keeping you updated today with the choppy waters of the Edgbaston Reservoir. Stay tuned, my friends, for another episode of Endless Journey. Oh, there is a live water boat.
Help us! Help us! Help! Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
No!
There you go. What? There's a creature that we got on the boat. He decided to wear sunglasses. And he's unable to paddle the boat.
Give it wet.
he can't paddle in a straight line. He decides to paddle in a circle.
Hey, it's all a learning progress, alright.
Excuse me.
Both of you, yeah.
Wow.
Both paddles in the water.
I'll do it.
I'll do it,
I'll
man.
do it, man.
I'll fucking do it, man.
Hey! Let's cut that out.
Oh my god, the fucking seagull.
Come. Let's do it.
I'll get up there.
Seagulls!
I don't care if you're getting it.
Alright. We're doing one for you, dick.
I'm doing both, alright.
Such a hopeless man you are. Look at you.
Who's recording and who's trying? Not you, motherfucker.
He's crazy. He's crazy. Follow snapback_fitness and limitless mod on Instagram and our YouTube channels for our fitness.